Traveling abroad is an exciting adventure, offering a chance to discover new cultures, languages, incredible landscapes, and different traditions. However, staying connected to the internet without breaking the bank is one of the main challenges modern globetrotters often face. During our road trip across 7 European countries, 2 non-EU countries, and 1 African country, we noticed that managing phone subscriptions abroad can be costly and complicated. Internet access is essential, whether for work, sharing unforgettable moments on social media, staying in touch with loved ones, or planning the next steps of the trip. To address this common travel dilemma, we decided to explore the different solutions available. Each solution comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. You will find a much more complete and updated article on this subject in the description of this video. We are Xavier and Caroline, and we toured Europe for 2 years in a motorhome, all while working and earning a living. During this trip, we gained experience and some tips to both discover countries but also earn enough money to protect ourselves from the future. So don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, but also to our other networks where we provide free useful content on van life and digital nomadism. And now let's go back to our content. Of the 3 methods we've tested for getting internet abroad, we'll start with the subscription in our home country. Providers like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile and Vodafone offer international plans, allowing you to use a certain amount of data in various foreign countries. This can seem like a convenient and cost-effective option at first glance, as it avoids the hassle of buying a new SIM card for each trip. However, there is often a data usage cap, and exceeding this cap can result in high additional fees. Additionally, the service quality can vary depending on the provider and the country visited. For instance, US Mobile offers international eSIM plans that cover various destinations, providing different data allocations tailored to travelers' needs. T-Mobile offers international passes with high-speed data for staying connected while traveling, covering many popular destinations. AT&T's Day Pass allows the use of your regular plan, including calls, texts, and data, for $10 per day in many international locations, with passport plans available for extended stays. In the UK, providers like EE offer the Roam Abroad Pass, which lets you use your UK allowances in the USA, Australia, Canada, Mexico, and New Zealand for an extra fee. Vodafone's Roam Free service allows usage of your UK allowances in 48 destinations at no extra cost, with additional Roam Further options for broader international coverage. 3's Go Roam service covers 71 destinations worldwide, including popular locations like the USA and Australia, for a daily fee. Using your existing plan is the best option for short stays, especially within the EU. For Americans, providers like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon offer various international plans and passes that make staying connected abroad easy. However, this solution is only viable if you frequently travel back and forth from your home country. For long-term stays or expatriation, this is not the best option due to potential high costs and fair usage policies. The second solution is to purchase a local SIM card or a temporary subscription in the country you are visiting. By purchasing a SIM card in the visited country, you can enjoy internet access without worrying about roaming charges or data limits. This is what we did when we traveled to Switzerland, the UK, Portugal, and Morocco. In Switzerland, we used Swisscom, which offers unlimited data for around €70 a month. In the UK, we chose O2, allowing seamless connectivity between England and Scotland. In Portugal, we used Mio, offering unlimited data with great speeds for less than €35. In Morocco, we opted for Inwi, which requires cancellation right after purchasing to avoid unexpected charges. Buying a local SIM card can be practical for extended stays and outside the EU, but it involves facing language barriers and potential device incompatibility. Additionally, frequent SIM card changes can be tedious and lead to losing your original phone number temporarily. The third solution we explore is using an eSIM service like holafly. An eSIM service provides eSIMs preloaded with data plans for various countries, allowing travelers to stay connected without managing multiple SIM cards or worrying about costly roaming fees. An eSIM is a digital or virtual SIM card that does not need to be physically inserted into your device. Instead, the eSIM information is downloaded and stored directly on your device. This way, you can combine multiple SIM cards in your phone and install several eSIMs on the same phone. For your information, if you'd like to try out this service, we've included a coupon code with a link in the description of this video that will enable you to save money when you purchase your eSIM. Using holafly is simple and quick. Just purchase the eSIM data plan for your destination country on their website, receive an email with a QR code, scan the QR code with your compatible device, and activate data roaming in your device's settings. Holafly's eSIM service offers global coverage, competitive rates, easy activation, immediate connectivity, and responsive customer support. However, it can be more expensive in the long run compared to buying a local SIM card, and not all mobile phones are compatible with eSIMs. In our 2.5 years of road tripping, we have experimented with all three options, using roaming included in our French mobile provider's plan, buying a local SIM card in the country we visited, and the quick, easy, and effective purchase of an eSIM. Each option has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and the best choice will depend on your specific needs, the length of your stay, the network coverage in the visited country, and your budget. And this choice is important because if you want to be a digital nomad, you'll need an internet connection. By the way, if you'd like to know how to work while traveling, we've got a special video on the subject. Just click on it.